So people have been asking us to do a demonstration with spill tackle. So we just got spill tackle in. This is Grease Sweep, a 2-pound bag. This is a 3-pound bag of Grease Sweep, all natural plant-based seed ash. This is a 5-pound bag, or actually, yeah, 5-pound bag of spill tackle, which is some sort of sawdust with a mixture of something in it. Not sure exactly what it is. Just got it in, haven't tested it yet. So we're gonna take a look and see how well this works. First thing we're gonna do is the water test. If you're out in the rain and there's an accident, you're gonna have water to deal with. So first thing you're gonna see is we'll go ahead and put this over on spill tackle. And I just dyed the water blue so you could see it working. On the other side here is called Grease Sweep. This is our product. As you can see, it instantly absorbs up. So this product will not work in the water. Matter of fact, we made quite the mess. So we're gonna get rid of that. So the next test I'd like to do, you can see this is like a container when you're done. Absorbs up the water, but it'll absorb up the oil and push the water out. So that's the unique type of our product. So I'd imagine that spill tackle focuses mainly on, let's say, oil, because it is a wood product, so it should do okay on oil. But let's find out here, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and pour the oil in here. Same amount of oil on both sides. And we will see how spill tackle works on the oil. Then we'll see how Grease Sweep works on the oil. So we'll mix these up to make it go faster. Try to make it go faster. Grease Sweep, as soon as it sweeps it around, it's instant, so it absorbs it all the way up. It's not completely used up at all, but as you can see, no residue whatsoever right here. Well, I've gotten away on that one. And then this one over here is still doing its thing. So it's really oily based, so it's not absorbing it. As you can see, full of oil right here. Lots of residue left over. And then this is just wet, soaking wet. So it's great for oil, it's not all that great. Next test we're gonna do is a basic fender bender on the side of the road. We got coolant, antifreeze, and oil in each one of these. So this is what you find on the road. Tow trucks, hazmat, DOTs, this is all what they deal with. So this is literally what you use oil absorbent for. And then here we use Grease Sweep. First thing you're gonna see is the water absorb up instantly. The next thing you're gonna see is the coolant coming into it, because of the velocity of the fluids that you're absorbing. And then finally, your oil. Now this is completely absorbed. This is still working on it. So it's just not going to absorb. It kind of adds to the mess. So it's an adsorbent, not an absorbent. As you can see, it's just wet, liquidy, won't be an absorbent. As you can see on this one here, flip this over. Dry. So I guess that's the difference between spill tackle and grease sweep. A sawdust type of product with something else into it, and an all natural plant-based seed ash. The best on the market. Thank you.